Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to self-study for CFA Level 1. Start by creating a durable weekly schedule that matches your work and life commitments. Break topics into short daily sessions and assign review days each week. Use 3 study phases: learning, consolidation, and practice exams. Track progress with timers and a checklist, and adjust pacing when topics take longer than expected to master. Select focused, high-quality resources that fit your learning style and stick with them consistently. Balance the official curriculum for depth with one efficient prep provider for structure and practice questions. Watch short video lessons for tough concepts and reread summary notes before practice sets. Prioritize learning outcomes by topic weight and use spaced repetition flashcards to lock formulas and definitions into long-term memory for exam recall. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and more free study content. Quick recommendation: grab the Simple Path to Wealth if you want a clear, calm take on money and long-term investing. It pairs nicely with CFA concepts and mindset. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Begin regular practice early, starting with topic quizzes and gradually increasing to timed full-length mocks under exam conditions. Analyze every incorrect answer to find the root cause, then revisit the corresponding study notes and practice similar problems. Track performance across topics and focus extra review on low-scoring areas while maintaining strong subjects. Aim to complete several realistic mocks before the exam to build speed, accuracy, and confidence for test day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.